Alright, what's up guys? We are going to this CARMEET. It's a local CARMEET. It's like at West Coast Exotics. So yeah, we're going. 340's right there. We just washed our cars, so but yeah, we're gonna go there. I'm gonna try to get some quotes for you guys, and I'll probably do a POV drive after that, to be honest. I haven't done one of those in a while, so yeah, I'll let you know when we get there. Damn, that thing sounds good. There's a Porsche behind us. The meat's back there, but there's an M3. Alright guys, we here. It's over there. I'm about to walk over there, but there's no parking at all. But yeah, it's them full. But yeah, about to make our way over there. Damn, this is the M3 that we saw at the other meet. Was he 06? What's that one Porsche that was driving behind us? I don't know. Dude, that color is so fucking sick.
That's pretty good.
Ooh, it's pink. I like that.
She got swirls. I got swirls too, bro. I can't touch it.
Things are nice. Things are nice. The McCleasy. Dude, that purple's crazy.
I'll be a picture this one. I'm gonna. I'll get you to the 26 now. Here's the wrap one.
I like this color. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's what I'm saying.
I'm saying, oh shit, maybe.
Unless they just clean that too.
That'd be a really odd thing to clean. You gotta think of something that like.
Come on, Bentleys. Dude, they're so shiny. Oh my gosh. Damn. Oh my gosh. What's that? This thing's clean. Damn. Reminds me of my last one. Just a lot cleaner.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't fuck with Mercedes, but GCR.
This thing's clean.
Can't handle it.
I like the hardtops though. I don't like the convertibles.
I don't know. This is one car that low-key, the convertible trim. It's kind of nice.
I would drive one.
If it was like my weekend car, I would. Not as like a daily.
Oh my gosh, full red interior?
The wheel too.
That's crazy. Wait, that's what I heard. Ooh, Turbo S. Guys, which one are you taking? A GT3 or a Turbo S? Which one do you have? Turbo S or GT3?
What's the difference again? It's like something about the...
This thing's cleaning. Oh, why are these hips on? With the Lambo here. 570S. Yeah. Dude, I was watching a video. They can change like how much they want the car to kick out from the new traction. Damn, this thing's nice. Look at these carbon buckets. Is the carbon buckets? Yeah. Did I what?
Oh, did you pick the showroom back there or is it empty?
No, I didn't see it. You gonna look? Yeah. Oh, this one was here last time I came.
Last time it was here.
Damn, this is nice. GT2 RS. Holy fuck. Urus. This thing is mint. Look at these. Oh my gosh.
But like...
Wait, what McLaren is driven?
720.
Whose?
I forgot. She was like...
We got the red lineup. Which one are you guys taking?
Well, I ain't gonna lie, the red line.
I think that's a demon right there. Yeah, I think it's a demon. Damn. Got the Lotus. This thing's sick. Damn, that GT2 RS. What you guys taking? GT2 RS or GT3 RS? I guess so, bro. Damn. For real. The girl driving it. Dang. Rocking the bag Liberty Walk. Oh, gang. Yeah, I see the GTRs everywhere.
That one, literally like every day. Fucking Dodge.
Oh yeah.
Like every day.
There's also like an I think there's an STI one of that.
I also see that guy every single day.
Look at this paint, guys. Paint's crazy.
Oh yeah, it's straight.
What's up, guys? We done with the beat. There's this AMG on of us. But yeah, we done with the beat. It's pretty sick. Turnout was pretty cool. It got pretty packed, so but yeah, hopefully you got enough content for you guys. But I'll see what I'm doing later on today. I might record a POV like I said earlier, and then try to push that out to you guys. But yeah.